Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add music to Wix website. So let's go to the Wix editor page first. Then I'm gonna add a music here. So I'm gonna click on this plus icon, add elements. Now you have to choose video and music, and then you can choose any one of this. I'm choosing this one, audio players. So I'm clicking this one here. Just click ons and it will be added here. Hold on. You can see that it's already added. Now if you want to add music here, you have to click on settings. Now click on start now. This option, start now. Now you can see here single, album or playlist. I'm clicking on single. Now you have to write here the single name. Just fill up this form. That's up to you. Single version, you can write anything, artist name. Just write here example. Pick 3. Now you can write here song description. Now you can see here no downloads or downloads. Now you can add an image here by click on add image. You can add any image you want. I'm just showing you for the basic tutorial. Okay. Now you have to click on save and add tracks. Click on this. Scroll down, then you'll find here add tracks. Click on add tracks. Now go to your computer and add tracks from your computer. Click on open. It is uploading, so hold on. It is processing here. I'll be right back when it's complete. It may take some seconds. So you can see it's already done. Now you can see that your music has been updated already. If you want to upload more, you have to click on this add tracks and you can upload from here. Now you can just cross this window and your music has been added here. Now if you want to edit this thing, edit anything, you can edit up. That's up to you. You have to go to this manage your music, or go to this upgrade and go to settings and you can do some editing. After that complete, you have to click on preview. Now let's check that it is works or not. I'm clicking on this play button. You can see that music is playing here. So this is how you can add successfully music to Wix website. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.